Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with next topic, that is our body. Our body is made up of different parts. All these parts helps us to perform in daily activities. Our body parts help us to see, move, run, hold, breathe, smell. So today we are going to learn about it. Our body is made up of many small cells. Here you can see this pink dotted structure. These are cells. Cells can be of different shapes. Cells are basic building blocks of our body. Like everybody has seen how a wall is made. Many bricks are arranged together to build a wall. Same way, many cells are arranged in a particular form that form tissues. So similar cells join together to form a tissue. After that, many walls, like 4 walls, make a room. Same way, many tissues make an organ. Many tissues together form an organ. Here you can see lungs are there. So we have many organs like lungs, stomach, heart, kidney. Many more organs are there. But do you know, a group of organs which work together to perform one task, that form an organ system. Like here in this you can see nose, windpipe and lungs. All these work together in respiration. They help in breathing. So this organ system is respiratory system. Same way we have many organ system in our body, and all these organ system together form an organism. All organ system together make an organism, living things. So today we are going to learn about these organ systems. Our body consists of many organ systems. Let's start with skeletal system. There are 206 bones in our body. All the bones in our body make up the skeletal system. So you can see in this picture, all these bones together make skeletal system of our body. This skeletal system gives shape and support to our body. It protects the internal, delicate and soft organs from injury. Here you can see this. Skull protects the brain, and here these curved bones, rib cage is there. It protects lungs, heart of our body. So skeletal system protects the delicate organs from any type of injury. It also gives shape and support to our body. All these bones are attached to muscles. All the muscles in our body, they form muscular system. So next is muscular system. Muscles cover the skeletal and they are attached to the bones. So all the muscles, you can see this. The muscles, it cover the skeleton of our body and it is attached to bones. Because of these muscles only we can move our bones. Skeletal system and muscular system, these both help to move, hold, run and sit. Altogether we have 640 muscles in our body. So this muscular system and skeletal system both work together for movement of our body. Do you know, a baby have more than 300 bones? Some of these bones merge, means they join together when the baby grows. So finally an adult have 206 bones. Let's move on to next one, that is digestive system. Here you can see the picture is of digestive system. What happens is the food we eat, it is broken down into simpler substances, and this process, the process by which the food we eat is broken down into simpler substances, this process is known as digestion. Here you can see in this picture, we put food in our mouth, teeth is present here, that is for chewing, cutting and grinding the food. Then it passes to food pipe. From food pipe it reaches to stomach, where some juices are secreted by liver, and then finally it reaches to small intestine, large intestine and anus. So this way the food that we eat, it is broken down into simpler substances, and whole this process is digestion. And the organs like mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, anus, all these are main organs of digestive system. This system help in digestion of our food. Next we have respiratory system, circulatory system, nervous system, excretory system and reproductive system. This we are going to cover in next class. This much for today. Thank you.